All right, I'm going to teach you how to create auto login on a Windows computer. The first, we're going to go into computer management. So in the start button, you can type computer management and open this window. You can go into local users and groups. Click on users and make sure that the user you want to create the auto login for exists here. So for this one, I'm going to create it for the admin account. So make sure that it exists in the users. After that, we're gonna open registry. So you can open the search box of Windows, click registry editor, and you're gonna open registry editor. So that's what it looks like. When you open it, you're gonna click on local machine, and you're gonna open software. From software, you're gonna open Microsoft. Then you're gonna scroll all the way down, open Windows NT, current version, and then you're gonna scroll all the way down and open Windows Logon. So the first thing that we are gonna create is a string value of auto admin logon. Make sure that the A is capital of auto for also for admin and L is capital for logon. When you press enter, I already have that value. You can see here, so it's not gonna create a duplicate value. So if you already have it on your computer, that's good. If you don't, then create it like I showed you. For the auto admin logon, we're gonna open it and the value, it should be 1. If it's 0, change it to 1. If it's 1, leave it as it is. Then you're gonna create another string value, and that would be default user name. And the D should be capital, U should be uppercase, and N should be uppercase. So that's the default username. When you create the string value, double click it, open it, and then here you're going to type the username. So for this one, I'm going to type admin. Okay. Then we're going to create one last string value, which is going to be default password. If you don't have any password for that user, some people just don't have password for their user accounts, just leave it empty. If you have a password, then put the password here and press OK. I don't have a password, so I'm going to click OK and leave it empty. And that's it. Then you restart the computer and it should automatically let you in without you having put the password in. Okay. That was it. Just make sure that the user is in the computer management user group. The other thing is if you're using computers in a network in a company or an organization and your computer is on their domain, make sure, and if this doesn't work, remove it from the domain and then add the user into the computer management. And the way we add the user, I can show you how you can add a user. So you can click on the users and group, click users, right click it and add a new user. So you can add a user and then add it back to the domain and then do the registry editor, create auto admin login, default username and default password, and then it should work.